Status quo.
This is the rigid closed cell spray foam we had installed in the ceiling. You can see that we've done most of the framing and we're putting up the sheetrock wallboard. Metal corners are up there on the beam. We've got the wall covered where the sink is. All the plumbing is in place and approved by the inspector. And you can see we have the wall patched all around. Hard to maneuver with all the stuff on the floor. And this is the ceiling over the new dining area. That's the framing again. Some electrical wiring. Metal corners on the beam. There's the beam over the hallway that supports the main beam. And there is the 5/8 fireproof rated sheetrock on the ceiling. And you can see the lighting, the can lights over there, and then there's 3 pendant lights.
I-5 is also still down in Norwood, and then again from North.
Look at that, there's a whole bonfire in there. Okay. And here, Mitch is fixing the compressor, which was accidentally knocked over. So we have to get a new reducer for that from 1/2 inch to 3/8. And the fall also broke off a couple of cooling fins. Not a very happy moment for a faithful compressor. Okay, and we have, the floors are all torn up now. All the nails are pulled. So we have a little more painting to do, and next week sometime we will start putting in the new oak floors and the stairs, and then a wrought iron railing. So cool things are coming. But yeah, everything's coming together and starting to look good.